Hello and welcome to Simple Spanish Sentences. This is the third video in a playlist on Spanish verb tenses and moods. In it, I'm going to share some sentences that show how to conjugate regular Spanish verbs in the present tense that end in ER. The present tense has a few different uses, and in this video, I'll use it to describe things that happen repeatedly, habitually, or as part of one's routine. To do this, the two verbs I'm going to use are to eat, which is comer, and to drink, which is beber. Conjugating regular ER verbs in the present tense involves two steps. First, we remove ER from the end of the verb, and second, we add the appropriate ending, as shown in the chart below. The sentences that follow will offer specific examples for how this is done. I in Spanish is yo, and to conjugate this, we drop ER and add O. So to say I eat, comer becomes como, and to say I drink, beber becomes bebo. I eat vegetables is como verduras. I drink water is bebo agua. You in Spanish when speaking to one person informally is tú, and to conjugate this, we drop ER and add ES. So to say you eat, comer becomes comes, and to say you drink, beber becomes bebes. You eat apples is comes manzanas. You drink coffee is bebes café. He in Spanish is él, she is ella, and you when talking to one person formally is usted. To conjugate these forms, we drop ER and add E. So to say he eats, she eats, or you eat, comer becomes come, and to say he drinks, she drinks, or you drink, beber becomes bebe. Because these are conjugated the same way, I'll include pronouns in some of these sentences, just to clarify who's doing the action. He or she eats with Pablo is él or ella come con Pablo. You eat with Pablo is usted come con Pablo. Maria drinks with Isabel is Maria bebe con Isabel. And you drink with Isabel is usted bebe con Isabel. We in Spanish is nosotros or nosotras, and to conjugate this, we drop ER and add EMOS. So to say we eat, comer becomes comemos, and to say we drink, beber becomes bebemos. We eat with Pablo is comemos con Pablo. Maria and I drink with Isabel is Maria y yo bebemos con Isabel. You in Spanish when speaking to multiple people informally and in Spain is vosotros or vosotras. And to conjugate this, we drop ER and add E with an accent, IS. So to say you eat, comer becomes comes, and to say you drink, beber becomes bebes. You eat vegetables with Pedro is comes verduras con Pedro. You and Maria drink water with Isabel is tú y Maria bebes agua con Isabel. They in Spanish is ellos or ellas, and you when talking to multiple people is ustedes. To conjugate these forms, we drop ER and add EN. So to say they eat or you eat, comer becomes comen, and to say they drink or you drink, beber becomes beben. Because these are conjugated the same way, I'll include pronouns in some of these sentences just to clarify who's doing the action. They eat apples with Pablo is ellos or ellas comen manzanas con Pablo. You eat apples with Pablo is Ustedes comen manzanas con Pablo. Maria and Martha drink coffee with Isabel is Maria y Marta beben café con Isabel. And you and Maria drink coffee with Isabel is tú y Maria beben café con Isabel. And finally, to review these conjugations, for yo, it's como and bebo. For tú, it's comes and bebes. For él, ella, and usted, it's come and bebe. For nosotros or nosotras, it's comemos and bebemos. For vosotros or vosotras, it's comes and bebes. And for ellos, ellas, and ustedes, it's comen and beben. That's all for this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did and would like to support this channel, you can do that in a number of ways. Also, if you noticed any mistakes, feel free to let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and take care.